Cut. No more questions. Go now.
Guys, I think I'm going to go beef brisket. I haven't had that, have I?
No.
Is it weird to add halloumi on it?
No.
I'm going to do that as well. So beef brisket with halloumi, please. Hello. Which one are you recommending?
Wow. My favourite is this one.
Do it.
Most popular is the butter.
No, I'm going to do your favourite. Let's go.
Right, that is yours.
Wonderful. Thanks very much.
I don't think I've ever had that loaded ones before. Then you have the sugar donuts.
Oh yeah, stab me. Yes. Give me a wet wipe. Bash. Thank you guys. Thank you.